Hello again. Taking a look at the machine status viewer inside of PlantStar 4.0. This is very common for customers in the manufacturing industry to show on a large TV, such as a dashboard throughout their plant or in their office. PlantStar 4.0 is also a web-based system, so this can be viewed from any device, tablet, smartphone, whatever you may choose. But looking at the machine status, you can look at all your machines here in the drop-down. You can pick from certain machines. So if I go back to all machines here, I can click and dial down my OEE, my availability, performance, and quality here. And the other neat thing that you can do is you can actually drag and drop your machine status. So if I wanted to set up my dashboard in a certain order, I can drag and drop which machines I would like to see on my large screen TV. So here's just a quick look into the machine status viewer within PlantStar 4.0. Again, if you would like to schedule a demo and see PlantStar 4.0 in action, please do so on our website. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.